Hey guys, it's Lexi here. We are here with Shaun from our Cincinnati location, and he is celebrating his second year with us at Heat Transfer Warehouse. So, Shaun, tell me, what is it that you do here for Heat Transfer Warehouse?
Well, I work in the Cincinnati warehouse. I do a lot of picking for the most part, but I also do packing. Sometimes I convert. I work on the machinery. We have the cutters and whatnot, and rollers, and pack and ship orders basically.
All right, oh, sweet. What is your best memory with Heat Transfer so far in your 2 years?
So far, there's a lot. Um, this trip's been pretty sweet. I didn't get to come last year because I thought I had COVID, and it's been pretty fun so far. So it's a pretty big highlight. It's the freshest one on my mind, so I'm going to use that to party.
All right, awesome, sweet. What do you like to do in your spare time?
A lot of things. I like to mess around with clay, just different art stuff. Play music from time to time, and watch documentaries because I'm that guy.
Because I'm that guy. All right. Well, touching on music, what is your go-to jam
My,
right now?
my go-to jam right now. That's a good question. That's hard to answer. I like a lot of older stuff. I've been on a Nirvana kick here lately. That's what I grew up with. I like a lot of random weird stuff too. Azaf Avidan, that's a weird one. A lot of people don't know him. The Dead South. It's just a lot of array of music. I listen to everything. I don't really have a go-to. I don't think though. I just jam.
All right. That's hey. As long as the vibe's good, it doesn't matter
Yeah.
what the plan, right? So, if you're on a road trip, what is your go-to snack and drink? You pull over, you feel fuel up, and what are you gonna grab from inside?
My snack and drink. I know it's not good for me because everyone tells me it's bad, but sugar-free Red Bull is the drink of choice because I need to fuel myself up as well. And as far as snacks go, I've been trying to eat healthier, but I still love zero bars, so I'm gonna have to go with a zero bar.
I'm not sure I've even heard of a zero bar, if I'm being completely
It's
honest.
like almond nougat with white fudge and caramel. It's it
Sounds intense.
it's yeah, it's pretty good though. If you haven't had a zero bar,
Go have
yeah,
a zero
try
bar.
you a zero bar. Get the little one first. You try it out.
It sounds almost like a Charleston chew a little bit, but with more stuff
Yeah,
in it.
there's peanuts in there too. I forgot that part. Yeah, it's good.
See if a nut allergy, don't have a zero
Yes,
bar.
that's what she said. I don't want to cause anybody any problems, but yeah,
What is something that's on your bucket list? What do you want to do?
on my bucket list, I just travel more. I think I'm getting a little older. I feel like I should have seen more of the country by now. So just want to check out California, places like that. Check out Alcatraz, stuff like that.
I mean, you made it. You came to Fargo. That's
Yeah, yeah,
exciting.
yeah, yeah. This is I haven't been to a lot of places. This is the coldest place I've been to, but not bad. I like it. I'm having a good time here.
Awesome. Sweet. If you could pet or spend time with any animal without consequence, it's not gonna sting you, bite you, scratch you, hurt you in any way, what animal would you pick?
Now that's a really tough question because I love animals. Uh, I don't know. I would, mm, I would say like a silverback gorilla or something like that. But that would, I don't know. Yeah, I'd probably go with that.
That's
Try to
what
befriend it.
that's what Michael had said. He's just like I picked that because like I just want to give it a firm handshake to
Yeah,
see what it would do.
I think I would just want a piggyback ride, because I'm a bigger guy, so I don't really get a lot of those. I'll try that.
Fair enough.
Yeah,
I think I'd be okay with that. I think that'd be pretty cool.
yeah, sit on his shoulders. He can carry me around. That'd be pretty cool.
That'd be pretty funny to see if I'm being honest. That'd be cool. Well, Shaun, thank you for your time.
Not a problem.
Thank you for your last 2 years.
Thank you.
We look forward to having you here for many more years to come in the future.
I appreciate it. I love it here, and I hope to stick around as long as I can, really, honestly.
I we hope so too. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.